What if I told you there's a hidden treasure buried in most of YouTube's videos with hundreds of millions of views? A loophole that lets you siphon off their traffic without ever making a single video or lifting a finger. It's like being able to sneak into the biggest mall in the world and replace the cash registers with your own so all the profits flow straight into your account. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, every day, regular people, beginners, and even seasoned marketers are using this exact revolutionary AI engine to hijack traffic from the biggest YouTubers on Earth. By finding what we call vulnerable links inside those videos and replacing them with any link you want. It can be a link to your affiliate product, your own product, your e-com store, your book, your service, your blog, or whatever you want to send traffic to. And they're making hundreds of dollars every single day just by tapping into these videos without creating, uploading, or editing a single thing. Hey, my Venkata, and on behalf of my team, I'm excited to introduce you to Glide. Glide is the world's first AI-powered software that automatically finds these vulnerable links on high-traffic YouTube videos and allows you to replace them with your own profit-generating links instantly. All without ever creating a video, uploading anything, or having any special skills. Yes, you heard me right. No videos, no uploads, no effort. The easiest way to make money online by replacing links on the biggest video platform in the world, YouTube. Let me show you just how stupidly easy it is to start profiting with Glide. Step 1. Log into the intuitive dashboard of Glide and enter any keyword or niche you like. It's as simple as that. Step 2. Replace. Replace hidden links in any YouTube video with millions of views with any link you want. It can be an affiliate product, your own product, e-com, or anything else. Step 3. Enjoy. Yup, that's it. Now all you have to do is sit back and watch a plethora of clicks go to your URL and make money like this. That's it. In just 3 simple steps, you've tapped into an endless stream of free YouTube traffic, and you're making money without lifting a finger. But here's where it gets even better. Glide doesn't just find the vulnerable links for you, it also keeps finding new opportunities day after day, so you never run out of links to replace or profits to make. Take Sarah, for example. She used Glide to find vulnerable links on 3 YouTube videos, and in just 7 days, she made $2,183. The crazy part? She didn't have to create a single video, just a few clicks and the cash started rolling in. Now you're probably thinking, how much is this going to cost? Honestly, we were going to charge $997 for Glide, and even at that price, it would be an absolute steal considering the income potential. But we didn't want to limit this opportunity to only a few people who could afford it, so we've slashed the price to something unheard of. For a limited time, you can get access to Glide for just a fraction of the original price. But here's the catch, this offer won't last forever. We can't keep up with the demand and the server load, so we'll have to close this offer very soon to new users. Plus, if you act fast, we're throwing in some incredible bonuses worth over $5,000. These bonuses are designed to help you scale even faster and dominate YouTube without any competition. But you need to act now, because once this offer closes, it's gone forever. And of course, you're 100% protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't make money with Glide or decide it's not for you, just send us an email and we'll refund every penny, no questions asked. So, what are you waiting for? Click the button below and I'll see you inside. Start using Glide today, hijack those vulnerable YouTube links, and start getting results from day 1.